What comes to mind when you hear Judge Judy? Most people think it's her razor-sharp tongue, no-nonsense demeanor, and ability to terminate courtroom drama with a look. This judge is so rigorous that we admire and possibly dread her. What if I told you Judge Judy's personal life is messier than her courtroom decisions? Her love life is unorganized. The dramatic turns and surprises of Judge Judy's love life are revealed in this movie. Just what is Judge Judy? How did she become a famous judge? Judge Judy was Judith Susan Blum before becoming daytime TV queen. Strong Brooklyn gal with huge goals and a sharp tongue. German and Russian Jews gave birth to her. She grew up in a loving, disciplined home. She loved her father Murray, a doctor she considered the best thing since sliced bread. However, her mother Ethel controlled the office and kept things straight with honesty. It's obvious where Judy got her toughness and humor. Judge Judy was determined from the outset. She studied government at American University in Washington, D.C. after graduating from James Madison High School in Brooklyn in 1961. However, she didn't want to stop. Judy went to law school when few women worked in the field. She was eager to shine after earning her J.D., 1965 New York Law School graduate. She believed her first work as a cosmetics firm corporate lawyer would be amazing, but she soon realized it wasn't. She left after 2 years because she was bored and uninspired. Her priority was parenting Jamie and Adam. You shouldn't assume she's ready to settle down. A friend told her about a New York family court lawyer position. She pursued it because she was fascinated and found her calling. As a lawyer, Judge Judy handled more than just family court matters. She jumped in headfirst. She worked on child abuse, marital violence, and juvenile offenses, which most people find disgusting. Without airs, she was quick, efficient, and bold in court. Mayor Ed Koch appointed her a criminal court judge in 1982 after being impressed by her performance. She became head judge of Manhattan's family court after 4 years, where her fierce, no-holds-barred manner became famous. Judge Judy's bravery was soon known outside the courthouse, and the Los Angeles Times praised her in 1993, dubbing her a court improvement woman. Since that story became a 60-minute show, Judy transitioned from judge to star. She retired in 1996 after authoring Don't Pee on My Leg and Tell Me It's Raining, her first book. Her retirement was brief. Soon after, she established her own TV show, becoming an American TV icon. Something remarkable happened in TV history in 1995. Judge Judy Scheindlin took the gavel in a revolutionary courtroom reality show. A simple but revolutionary idea. A judge followed the law and rendered serious decisions without argument. Judge Judy premiered on September 16, 1996. No one realized that this show would become a cultural phenomenon with millions of viewers and dominate daytime TV for 25 years. Judge Judy's quick wit, fierce temperament, and keen humor made her stand out from the outset. She wasn't the only jury judge. Petrie Bird, affectionately known as Bird, was beside her. They collaborated for more than spectacle. Based on genuine occurrences, years before Judge Judy, Bird was her Manhattan family court judge. That's where they formed a genuine friendship. Their courtroom TV chemistry was unbeatable, cementing their legacy. Judge Judy revolutionized daytime TV standards and did well for 25 seasons. The show regularly topped Nielsen ratings with 9 to 10 million viewers, topping daytime heavyweights like Oprah Winfrey. It was the most popular courtroom, daytime, and first-run cable show by 2009. It kept the title till 2021. But how did the show become so popular? For viewers, it was more than amusing. They received real-life justice as desired. Judge Judy didn't tolerate excuses, legal loopholes, or lengthy conversations. She listened, made choices, and reigned with a keen edge that made wrongdoers shiver and onlookers cheer. Her conclusions were refreshing in a world where paperwork and wait times hindered genuine courts. Who doesn't like seeing a deserving person get in trouble on TV? Judge Judy's call transcended TV. Reading Magazine found in 2013 that Americans trusted her more than the U.S. Supreme Court demonstrating her incredible power. She went beyond judging on TV to become a social figure. She was mentioned on The Simpsons, SNL, and others. She was one of VH1's 200 most influential pop culture figures. Even Hollywood noticed her influence. She received many awards, including a 2006 Hollywood Walk of Fame star and a 2012 Broadcasting and Cable Hall of Fame induction. Her Gracie Allen Tribute Award and Mary Pickford Award confirmed her status as a pioneer, not just a TV celebrity. It turns out that the courtroom was only part of her narrative. Her personal life is as intriguing as her rulings. Judy married Ronald Levy, another lawyer, in 1964 at 20. It seemed like a decent start. She was eager and determined after law school, ready to manage her family and job. They settled quickly. Judy built their American dream while raising Jamie and Adam. This is where things went wrong. Ronald was a successful lawyer, but he didn't have Judy's ambition to improve. He considered her employment a hobby, not a calling. Consider telling Judy that. Smart and driven, she is. Stress rose quickly. Judy wouldn't let her dreams go unfulfilled. She wanted legal success, but Ronald's lack of assistance made her feel like she was perpetually against the grain. Judy tried being a mom, wife, and optimistic worker at home, but her marriage deteriorated. Ronald's indifference made their relationship feel like a trap. Judy was determined and couldn't stay in a relationship that stifled her. Judy attempted for 12 years, 1972 to 1976, but failed. She divorced because she didn't want her potential to be wasted. It was difficult to decide. It was hard to leave my solid marriage with 2 small children, but it was a turning point. Divorce was more than just a breakup. Judy then refused to be told what to do. That set up everything afterward. Famous career, her refusal to apologize, and ascent to TV fame. It also started a new relationship that changed everything. Judy moved quickly after divorcing Ronald Levy. Her high-level career as a prosecutor and having 2 kids alone kept her busy in Manhattan's family court. There was lots. Judy was used to handling large issues and succeeding, but life surprised her in unusual ways. Judy met Jerry Scheinlin in a club a few months after her 1976 divorce. Their lives changed forever that night. Jerry, a defense lawyer, had just ended a difficult murder case when Judy entered the bar. She spoke her mind because she was knowledgeable and honest. They might not get along immediately away. Judy met Jerry and told him what she thought in her usual direct manner. However, Jerry was struck by her bravery and their accidental meeting became a fast-paced relationship. Despite their attraction, things weren't simple at first. Jerry was legally married while living apart. He suggested they live together instead of marrying, but Judy refused. She stated that she didn't desire an unmarried relationship. Jerry eventually consented after some debate. The couple married in 1977 after Jerry's divorce. Like Judy, Jerry had a terrific background. Born and bred in NYC, he served in the Korean War. After that, he attended law school and became a famous criminal defense attorney. He was well known in law when he met Judy, but his objectives continued. Jerry rose through the legal system to become a U.S. He became a New York Supreme Court trial judge after serving as an administrative law judge in 1980. Jerry wasn't only a smart lawyer, he wrote DNA evidence books in addition to practicing law. Judy admired his knowledge and determination, and their shared goal of success strengthened their connection. They both did well at work, and not only legally. It was about how they supported and challenged each other to do more and take risks, and pursue aspirations. Judy persuaded Jerry to become people's court head judge. Despite her fame from Judge Judy, she believed Jerry could add something unique to the show. He was only on the people's court for a short period, yet they worked well together and watched out for each other. Judy and Jerry faced issues like any mixed-race household. 5 kids meant they had to figure out how to make things work. Making their kids happy was their priority. Jerry was told they shouldn't stay together if their kids didn't get along. Luckily, their children grew closer, and 3 became lawyers like them. Their diverse family clicked. TV Judge Adam was Judy's son. Jerry's son Gregory and daughter Nicole became lawyers and private lawyers. Jerry's son Jonathan became an eye doctor, and Judy's daughter Jamie mostly kept to herself. The best relationships can have problems no matter how well they did or loved each other. Due to their hectic lives, well-known occupations, and stress, things broke down. Their marriage was excellent since they shared goals and admired each other, but time and stress can wreck any relationship. Judy and Jerry Scheinlin divorced in 1990 after 10 years. An argument, affair, or other common causes didn't cause this. It was sad. Judy Blume's father, Murray Blume, died, and she was devastated. The tragedy affected her and made it hard for her to combine her family and family court judge duties. When weak, Judy needed her husband more than ever. Jerry loved her but couldn't help. He was always the one who required support and expected things to continue. Judy needed more. He had never been required to guide and support her before. Judy's rage escalated to panic when Jerry couldn't figure it out. She offered choices. She would go if he couldn't comply. Laughed and said he didn't think she'd follow through. Judy immediately did it. She requested a divorce the next day. The truth is, their marriage is failing. There's no conflict. Judy had to do this, not to spite or offend someone. Without leaving her marriage, she could not heal. But as weeks passed, something unusual happened. After time apart and thinking, they realized they couldn't picture life without each other. A terrible choice became a stunning discovery for both of them. Despite their loss, they were clearly in love. After several time apart, he and Judy reunited. After understanding one another's needs, they got along again, and an appreciation for their delicate relationship. That brief breakup was crucial despite its sorrow. It demonstrates that love is hard, but you may become stronger by weathering the storm. Jerry rang Judy after almost a year. Judy was startled by how much she liked him after a disastrous date. She believed he wouldn't change. Now she knew Jerry too well. Though they hadn't seen each other in years, his presence made her feel better. She accepted his unchangeable defects. She understood they could resolve it then. Fixing wasn't necessary. Instead, they had to know each other before proceeding. Jerry began to comprehend as they eventually reunited. Being together wasn't enough. Something was missing. He blurted it to Judy one day, as if from nowhere. He didn't want to be with her till they were married. He wanted that commitment again to complete the deal. Judy agreed without hesitation. They received a marriage license the same day, and a friend who was a New York Supreme Court judge led a short service. It was not about spectacular celebrations or maneuvers, making sure they both knew what they knew. Despite shortcomings, they were stronger together. Judy and Jerry always supported one another at work. Jerry was Judy's first man who supported her objectives. She struggled with inept relationships. Her career soared with Judge Judy. Jerry was pleased to let her lead. However, Judy encouraged him to appear on TV when his chance arrived. He became a people's court judge. Jerry never felt threatened by Judy's fame. He knew she deserved it. Judy hardly bothered about her appearance. She always believed her brains and desire made her strong. She knew she needed to look well and stay healthy for Jerry. Both confessed that love was a part of their relationship, but their profound respect and strong friendship kept them together. Their second act marriage was founded on understanding, support, and accepting each other's imperfections. Remaking a flawless love story wasn't the goal. It was about making one that worked for them despite limitations. Though they faced issues, they solved them together. They showed that love doesn't have to be perfect. Only truth is needed.